Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is questions and answers, and this is our revision class. Let us see today's class. Our today's topic is questions and answers, and this is our revision class, and today we will do from F number to J number in according to our suggestions, and this is lecture number 20 and this is lecture number 20. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is question from F number to J number, and the F number question is how many seasons are there in Bangladesh? How many seasons are there in Bangladesh? Answer will be there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. And then next one is G number. In which season do you feel cold? In which season do you feel cold? Answer is in winter season we feel cold. Answer is in winter season we feel cold. And then H number. In which season do flowers bloom? In which season do flowers bloom? Answer is in spring season flowers bloom. In spring season flowers bloom. And then I number question is write the names of 2 gardening tools. Write the names of 2 gardening tools. And the answer is 2 gardening tools are spade. 1 number is spade and 2 number is watering can. And the answer is 2 gardening tools are 1 number tools is spade and 2 number is watering can. And the last one, and this is the last question. What does an artist do? What does an artist do? Answer is an artist paints pictures. Answer is an artist paints pictures. So dear student, I hope you have understood and keep revise these questions and answers. And dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum and thank you.